round into there.
Get a cock it.
Cock it.
All right. Finger off the trigger till the buzzer goes. All right. Are you ready to go? You found your happy place. All right. This beep is for you. Here we go.
I should have waited like 5 more years.
Oh my God!
Or
That's
2 more years.
And the bedrooms are 19.
Saved a lot of dough.
Oh my God! And in the garage, the 15.
Low whip, real low.
Yep.
That's the only thing that I bought that was cheap. Was actually cheap. But I bought
Right
it,
now, doesn't want you to
when
have
they
more
were
than five sets.
Higher whip, higher, much higher.
Yeah, it's not cheap. But
Wow! Because they're going to put boosters online.
back in the day, I was like a teenager.
Father-assisted aiming device is pretty cool.
They put boosters in.
Get around in there, take a breath, make it count.
They want to wrap it around the house. They don't want to go through the attic and all sorts of bullshit. You have wires all over your house.
Oh, that was so close. That was just a little to the left. Oh, you're way off to the right now. Ooh. Stop plate.
Got the stop plate?
Yeah.
All right, you're done with. All right, get move forward. Hand off the trigger.
All right, we're going over here.
Get the one in the back.
In fact, it's not.
You want to go over to next door and see what that's all about? I'll leave this here. You want to go next door?
You're shooting real low, Lindsay. Let me see this for a second.
Hey, magazine's cold. Hey, there's 40. 41 is a 39.
You're shooting right on, Lindsay.
That's what I'm trying to do.
All right, you're about to DNF.
What does that mean?
Did not finish. Last shot. If it doesn't hit.
Yeah.
Last shot. If it doesn't hit, you're done.
Take your time.
Back a little bit.
Make
Put
it
your
count.
shoulder on the stock. See better now?
You hit the one in front of the green one. But you're in the right vicinity. There you go.
It's hard. You want my case?
All right, you're done.
I think I'm doing it.
What's your...
Show safe. Take the magazine out. Push the button underneath. There we go. Clear. Show the range officer that you're safe.
We are clear!
Now, carry it.